is what you'll need to make my chocolate and almond tiramisu. Some chocolate, can be any chocolate you like really. I like dark chocolate, but use anything, flakes, anything. Then instead of lady's fingers, I'm going to use these chocolate chip cake balls because they've got chocolate in. Some almond extract, eggs, caster sugar, mascarpone cheese, cocoa powder, and of course some almonds. The first job we're going to do is separate the yolks from the whites with your eggs. With your eggs separated, it's time to get your egg whites whisked up until they're nice and fluffy. Once you've whisked your egg whites up so they form a nice peak, it's time to put them to one side and get the bowl with your yolks. Into your egg yolks with your caster sugar, and then you're going to get those mixed up until they're nice and creamy. And your egg yolks and sugar nice and creamy, it's time to go in with some of your almond extract, and then you're going in with your mascarpone cheese. With your mascarpone in there, it's time to get your faithful whisk out and get those whisked together. Cheese, eggs and sugar all mixed together. Time to go back to your egg whites, but use a spatula this time, not your whisk. And you're just going to fold the egg whites in a bit at a time until they're all completely mixed. Once everything's mixed in so it resembles something like that, pop that in the fridge for half an hour. Into a mini blender, put your almonds. If you haven't got a mini blender, put them in a plastic bag and just bash them with a hammer or your rolling pin. If your chocolate needs breaking up like mine does, put it into the same blender that you've had the nuts in and bash away. With everything prepared, it's now time to start building up your dish. So, get your little chocolate sponge cakes. You're going to cut these in half, and then you're going to line the bottom of your dish. Do that till the whole bottom's covered. When you've got your first cake layer down, it's time to make yourself some coffee of your choice into a bowl. And then you're just going to soak your cakes in your coffee mixture. Once your coffee's soaked into your cakes, it's time to get your mixture out of the fridge, and you're going to put a layer onto there. With your first layer of mixture on, it's time to go on with the chocolate that you bashed up. And then also onto there, you're going with a layer of the almonds that you chopped up. Give them a little pat down, and then rinse and repeat. You're going to do exactly the same with the second layer, starting with a layer of your sponge. And it's the same process, coffee soaking into your cakes, and the rest of your mixture on top. Then onto there with a little bit of cocoa powder, and then finish it off with the rest of your almonds. And then just give it a gentle pat down and that wants to go in the fridge for at least a couple of hours to set, and preferably overnight.